Italian painter Ambrosius Benson worked in Flanders, and he followed the ideals of the Renaissance and Reformation, seeking to picture the world with greater realism. In this M&G painting, Benson illustrates the period's innovations by placing his Madonna and Child in an exterior setting. Benson's color choices enrich the subject both visually and symbolically. The green foliage adds to the vibrance of the figures and highlights the theme of birth. The deep red of Mary's velvet garment underscores a mother's love, while the pearls and Jesus' white, shroud-like drape echo the theme of salvation. A symbol is simply an object that stands for something in addition to itself. Here, the cherries, often called the fruit of paradise, and when held in the hand of Jesus, symbolize the delights to be enjoyed in his coming kingdom.